Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how we can simply add offer in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be published here in Wix, or if you like your posts, and you're going to click like three dots here and click edit. Then you're going to see like settings here and offer. You want to click on add offer and add an image here. Like what I'm going to find, I don't know, give me a second. Simply add like, I don't know, like this photo here. It's going to like 78 kilobytes, upload, add to page, and then just click add. And voila, here we have it. So this is Sophie Lee, and you can simply change the offer here. So this is how you can simply add offer in Wix. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.